Okay, guys, we're driving to a the Christian Southwest Christian Convention Center in Texas with Kenneth Copeland, Bill Winston, and Jesse Duplantis, Keith Moore, Jerry Savelle. So on the way, we found this candy factory. So this is like all the candy that they have in here. It's like never ending candy here. I forgot what is the name of this place. I can't remember. But it's like it's like cotton candy galore here. I'm trying to miss people as I'm recording. So it's like cotton candy galore, all kind of, what are these, rock candy, just everything here. Just tons, peanut, brittle. Look at all this candy at this store. What are these, turtles? And I don't know what all this is. I think it's called Redmond's, and these are all the different candies that they have. Here's other candy. I mean, this is just one side of it. There's a lot more candy everywhere. So I guess if you're headed towards Oklahoma, check this place out. I think we're on Highway
400 feet, turn right toward Pine Street.
I'm going to go check out the other side. Okay, so this is the other side, and it's like fudge.
Springfield?
What? No, Springfield, Missouri, not Springfield. And we're about to head off to. Okay, and here's like their little popcorn, 60 flavors. This is like all types of popcorn. I'm definitely getting popcorn because you know I love popcorn. I love flavored popcorn, and this, I don't know, just all tons of candy. We haven't even seen all of it. Here's more just candy, just like assorted candy. You can just pick and whatever you want. And so we're gonna get one big bag and we're gonna mix it. It said mix and match, all the same price. So, and we're about to grab a bag, and so just get 3 of those because I want some of these peanut butter bars and some of those Chico sticks. So we're gonna just go down this line here and just fill up this bag full of candy. I'll make sure they brush their teeth. Anyway, talk to y'all later. Bye.